Hi, so today I'm reviewing the vacuum sealer that I purchased on Amazon. It comes with the attachment in the actual device. It's the wide mouth for mason jars, and then you have the regular size, which I'm going to show you. You turn it right in, and then I have here a regular ball mason jar. This is the ball mason jar cap of mine. It's not the one that it comes with. So I want to show you that you can use the one that it comes with, and then you can also use your own. So this is mine. You have to make sure that the edge is clean and dry, and here my edge is clean and dry as well. I place it right on top. I put my sealer on top here, and then you hit the button and it starts to vacuum. I hold it down for about 20 seconds. That's 20 seconds. Turn it off. I lift up, and there you have it. It's completely sealed. It's not coming off. There's my cap, and that's that. To take them off, I don't have the little handy dandy thing to take it off, so what I've been doing is kind of just what you saw, but it does seal it very nicely, and my stuff stays really well. I've had it now for about maybe 3 weeks or so. I've been using it almost every day, and I've had no problems with it, so I think it's a great product.